Next type of question. It takes 20 seconds for a person A of mass 50 kg to climb up the stairs while another person B of the same mass does the same work in 15 seconds. Compare the work done by of A and B, and let us compare the work done of A and B as well as compare power developed by person A and B. So there are two persons A and B. So what is given here? Mass M1 is equal to 50 kg. Mass M2 is also 50 kg. Because mass 50 kg climb up the stairs while another person B of same mass. Then time taken by person A to climb up the stairs is how much? 20 seconds. Time T1 is 20 seconds. And what is the time taken by B? It is 15 seconds. Okay, they have given mass and time only. So we must have to find, first thing we have to find what is WA upon WB, work done by A upon work done by B ratio. And second we have to find power developed upon of A upon power developed of B ratio. Okay. Yes. Now first we will solve work done of A upon work done of B. As we know that formula for work done is force into displacement, force of A into displacement of A, force of B into displacement made by B. Force is nothing but mass into acceleration due to gravity because they are climbing up the stairs, into displacement, mass of the person B into gravity which remains same and displacement remains same, height remains same, no, does the same work. So gravity will cancel, displacement will cancel. What is the mass of A? 50. What is the mass of B? 50. So answer is 1 upon 1. Therefore the ratio is WA is to WB is equal to 1 is to 1. Correct? So this is the answer for the first question. Second one, power developed by A upon power developed by B, that is equal to, what is power formula? Work done by A upon time taken by A to climb up the stairs upon work done by B upon time taken by B. This is nothing but WA upon TA. This when you take to the numerator it reciprocates, so that is TB upon time taken by B upon work done by B. This is nothing but WA upon WB into T time taken by B upon time taken by A. WA upon WB we have calculated 1 is to 1. So it is 1 upon 1 into time taken by B is how much? T2, that is 15. So B I have written here. So it is 15 upon time taken by A is 20. It is 3 and 4. 3 upon 4. Correct? So what is the ratio here? PA is to PB, PA is to PB is equal to 3 is to 4. Okay, very simple.